Hello, I'm LJ Morante. I'm a student at JTech. I'm going to show you how to do a pressure testing on a transmission. We're working on the 2010 Chevrolet Aveo, and it has a 140 LE automatic transmission. Some reasons why you would do a pressure test on the transmission is because there's no movement in any of the gears, or if you have an internal or external problem. Some precautions you want to take is your safety glasses, make sure the fluid in it is at the proper level, and the transmission fluid is also nice and red. You don't want to do this on dirty transmission fluid. You want to get the vehicle set up, and the gauge. I'll take you to the front of the car and show you how it's set up. Okay, so the gauge that you want to use is a 0 to 300 psi gauge, and you can look in the service manual to find your test port. Your test port is usually going to be on the transmission, and in our case it's right above the pan. The ports are usually bolt-like plugs that allow the gauge to be screwed in. So after looking on ProDemand, our line pressures should be at idling and drive it should be between 55 to 60 psi, and at stall it should be at 161 to 178 psi. Right now our gauge is reading about negative 25 or 25, so we're going to get our reading with the car on and drive and idling. Return the car on, I'll be right back. Alright, is the car in drive? The car is turned on and it's idling. Right now we're going to put it into drive. Alright? He's putting it into drive, hang on. Let's see what's going on with the drive. Okay, our car is in drive and idling, and the gauge is reading about 95 psi. Originally our reading should be 55 to 60, and we're reading 95. But our gauge is reading 25 without anything hooked up. So we're a little bit above specification. That's how you can test your pressure in your line. Okay, so we concluded that our pressure in our transmission is high while in drive and idling. This means that our pressure regulator is going bad, or our applied device is slipping. Thank you. Our line pressure in reverse is about 145 idling, and our specification should be at 98. So where idling is really high in reverse. This also means that our transmission pressure regulator or our applied device is slipping.